reminds us that our alma mater has produced the best and the brightest, prominent and distinguished physicians led by our national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal. Though rich in history and culture, we do not sit on our laurels. Though aged, we have not grown demented. Like wine, we become better with time. We are dynamic and adaptive to new developments and technologies in order to provide our students with relevant curriculum that is globally competitive but socially responsive. We mold our students to become critical thinkers, problem solvers, and decision makers. This time, we allow them to speak and give their thoughts. Ours is a student-first policy. When we took over in November of 2006, we opened the doors of the Office of the Dean to everyone. We include student participation in making curricular changes and disciplinary operations. We battled against the hierarchical system and promoted teamwork. The faculty staff are constantly reminded of our role as mentors and not tormentors. The various chairs consulted each other to have better integration of topics, either horizontally or vertically. Please bring up. Driven by the vision of becoming the undisputed center of excellence by 2011, our quadricentennial anniversary, we mobilized our faculty, students, and support staff to achieve the goal. In 2010, the Commission for Higher Education recognized us as a center of excellence. At present, of the 38 medical schools in the country, there are only 2 centers of excellence in medicine in the Philippines. The University of Santo Tomas, Faculty of Medicine and Surgery, the Catholic University of the Philippines, and the University of the Philippines College of Medicine. Factors that could have contributed to our graduates' better performance in the physician's licensure exam include relevant curriculum and state-of-the-art facilities, excellent faculty staff, well-selected students, unwavering administrative support, alumni cooperation, and efficient support staff. Our faculty profile shows that majority of our staff are in the professorial and associate professorial categories.